Hello, and thanks for joining us on NCAA.com for the Division II Women's Rowing Selection Show. I'm your host, Kyle Binder, and tonight we are set to unveil the teams heading to the Sacramento State Aquatic Center in Gold River, California for the 2015 NCAA Championship Regatta. In last year's championship, Humboldt State University won the second national title of the program's history at Eagle Creek Park in Indianapolis, Indiana. This year's field is made up of 4 teams. Each invited team is required to field 1 boat of 8 rowers and 1 boat of 4 rowers. In addition, 2 schools have also been selected to field an 8 boat. So without further ado, let's get the ball rolling. The first team in is Berry. The Berry Buccaneers are making their 5th NCAA tournament appearance and first since 2013. The Buccaneers won the Sunshine State Conference Regatta at the end of April. It was their 6th SSC title. The last time the Bucs won the conference title, they finished 2nd at the National Regatta. Berry has finished runner-up at the National Regatta twice, in 2006 under head coach Paul Mocha and 2013 under head coach David Sanderson. Boban Rankovic is the 3rd coach to lead Berry to the National Regatta. The Buccaneers have rowers from 8 different states and 8 foreign countries. Well, continuing on, our second team to make the field is the University of Central Oklahoma. This is the first time in the field as a full team for Central Oklahoma, who had some stellar showings at the 81st annual Dad Vale Regatta last weekend. UCO's Varsity 8 raced well with a 4th place showing, finishing just 0.3 seconds behind third place Humboldt State. The Broncos beat Nova Southeastern by 6 seconds in that event, reversing an earlier loss and gaining a crucial win over a key Division II regional rival. This is not the first NCAA experience for Central Oklahoma, as its 8th boat made the championship a year ago. Competing alongside the Bucs and Broncos will be Humboldt State. The defending Division II national champ wrapped its East Coast stay with a pair of 3rd place finishes in the grand finals of the Dad Vale Regatta. The Lumberjacks placed 3rd in the Varsity 4 race. The Green and Gold 4 boat completed its race in 7:26.38, more than 4 seconds behind race leader Berry. In the Varsity 8 race, the Jacks placed 3rd with a 6:52.13 finish. This is the 5th NCAA championship appearance for Humboldt State. And welcome to the postseason, Mercyhurst. The Lakers are making their 8th consecutive trip and 9th overall to the NCAA National Championship. At Dad Vale's over the weekend, Mercyhurst Varsity 8, topped by freshman Marga Newer, took silver, only 2.4 seconds back from Berry. The Lakers Varsity 4 also made the finals at Dad Vale's. Mercyhurst is no stranger to success at the NCAA Championships, as they won the 2004 Division II title and placed 2nd in 2005 and 2011. The 2 schools fielding at-large 8s are Philadelphia University. Welcome to the postseason, Rams. This is the 3rd NCAA appearance for Philadelphia and 1st since 2010, where they netted a 3rd place finish. The Rams are coached by Chris O'Brien, who has been the head coach of the Philadelphia University women's rowing team since its inception in 2006. At the Dad Vale Regatta over the weekend, the Varsity 4 boat posted a 4th place finish in the grand final with a time of 7:31.45. In the women's Varsity 8 final, Philadelphia came in 6th with a time of 7:02.43. And the final boat in the field comes from Nova Southeastern. This is the 10th NCAA appearance for Nova Southeastern and 5th straight for the 2013 national champs. The Sharks placed 5th in the Varsity 8s at Dad Vale's and finished with a time of 6:58.3, just behind the winner Berry. The Sharks did top the hometown team in Philadelphia by 4 seconds. NSU is coached by Heather Barney in her first year at Nova. Barney competed in the 2000 and 2001 national championships as a student athlete at Williams. So those are the teams that will compete. And before we leave you, here's a look at the heat and lane assignments. In Heat A of the 8s, Berry will be in lane 1, Central Oklahoma in lane 2, and Philadelphia University in lane 3. In Heat B, Mercyhurst will compete in lane 1. Alongside them, Humboldt State will be in lane 2, and Nova Southeastern will round out this heat in lane 3. In Heat A of the 4s, Berry will row in lane 1, Central Oklahoma in lane 2. In Heat B, Humboldt State will be in lane 1, and Mercyhurst in lane 2. The 2015 National Championship Regatta will take place May 29th through the 31st at the Sacramento State Aquatic Center in Gold River, California, with the Pac-12 Conference serving as host. It will be streaming live right here on NCAA.com. And fans, you now know where your favorite team is headed, so join them on the championship journey by booking your next stay with Marriott at ncaa.com/travel. Well, thanks for joining us this evening. I'm Kyle Binder for NCAA.com. Congratulations and best of luck to all the student athletes competing in this year's championship.